There will come a time in every relationship where you may find yourself separated from your partner. If love is present, missing him or her is inevitable. You may experience strange feelings and wonder what's going on. Science shows that being in love makes you feel physically sick, and missing a loved one will make you feel even worse. Well, in this video, you will find 10 psychological facts about missing someone that is interesting as heck. Let's begin. Number 1. Sadness. If you are suddenly feeling sad, for no reason at all, it is a strong indicator that you are missing someone. We recommend trying to text or call the person. If he or she is unreachable, try engaging in some fun activities with friends and family. Number 2. Irritation. If you find yourself in a situation where everything around you feels irritating, it is a strong sign that you are missing someone you love. Try not to make other people you care about feel bad when going through this phase. Number 3. Depressed. If you are feeling depressed for no apparent reason, especially if you are in a long-distance relationship, it means that you are missing that special someone. Try calling or texting to help you feel better. Number 4. Insomnia. Missing someone you love will cause you many sleepless nights. If you are not getting enough or no sleep at all, you are surely missing him or her. Try taking a yoga class to relax your nerves and relieve stress during this phase. Remember that stress puts a strain on the heart. 5. Happy to sad. Happy 1 minute and sad the next. Well, research shows that when you are missing someone, you experience sudden mood swings, which are completely normal. 6. Less productivity. Research shows that missing someone you love can actually decrease your productivity by a whopping 70%. You suddenly don't feel like doing anything, and daily activities feel like a burden. Number 7. Feeling sick. Science shows that if you are missing someone and not able to do anything about it, it can make your body physically sick. Been feeling sick lately? Number 8. Heart's message. Missing someone is actually the heart's way of reminding you of them. Although research shows that love comes from the brain, the heart plays a role in sending love messages to the brain too. 9. Emotionally frustrated. Psychology predicts that when you are missing someone you love, you are helpless. Not having the ability to do anything about it makes you feel emotionally frustrated, annoyed, and moody. 10. Sharing good news. Research shows that you will know that you actually miss someone if they are the first person you want to share your good news with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.